The Bible says, you are the sons of the prophets and of the covenant. So the DNA of prophets runs through every believer, every Christian. So Christians should be able to prophesy.
Do you have a strong desire to prophesy and know more about the prophetic? Then the Prophetic Seminar is for you. The Prophetic Seminar is here with the highly sought-after prophet of God, Prophet Uebert Angel. The internationally renowned prophet is used mightily by God to change the course of many lives through the delivery of accurate prophecies, and is transforming nations through detailed international prophecies. This is your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be equipped in the prophetic with the prophet of God. To learn the practical secrets of the prophetic, register now. Spaces are limited. Go to www.uebertangel.org or call the numbers on the screen.